Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button and a little bell at the bottom of the screen so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Today, I have a fun project to share with you. I created another version of my Waterfall Folio with Notepad. A few weeks ago, I showed you how to make this, and since then, I've also made a digital file which you can download at MYSCRAPCHICK. This file is available for all electronic machines, including a Cricut, a Cameo, or a Brother Scan and Cut. And if you don't have an electronic cutting machine, you can simply use the PDF file to trace onto your favorite designer cardstock. Before I go into detail, let me show you the paper that I used. I used this beautiful paper collection by DCWV. It's called the Linen Closet. Now, this is an older collection. I've had this in my craft vault for a number of years, and I just happened to stumble upon it a few days ago, and I thought it was a beautiful collection for my project. This collection includes the decorative paper, and I love the browns, the blues, the golds, as well as the gold foil. This also has a coordinating cardstock in solids. This has a variety of different papers, which include pearl, linen, as well as glitter paper. This waterfall folio measures 4 by 7. The base of this is a craft cardstock, and I have double matted all sides of the folio. On the front, I have lined it with this beautiful gold rhinestone trim. I have these gold pearl buttons on the top and bottom. I've created these beautiful floral sprays on the top as well as the bottom here, and this also has this dark gold seam binding. I think that looks so pretty. And in the center, I have one of the cut aparts from the paper collection. It says, "You are my sunshine," and you can see these beautiful gold foil details on it. This is a side. The spine is 3/4 inch, and I included this fun suede tassel. And this is the back. For the closure, I used this ivory grosgrain ribbon. And on the left side, you have this fun notepad, which you can take out. Got this fun little pocket here. This is a little sentiment from the paper collection. We have spaces for 12 photos. I just love this paper. And on the very back, I've included this little pocket and inserted these tags. In your PDF file, you will receive all of the instructions on how to put this together, and you can also watch the video, which I will include in the description box below. This concludes my review of my Waterfall Folio with Notepad. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.